Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get on with it. There is so much to talk about. We've seen the price action happen today already on a number of cryptocurrencies out there in the marketplace. We've got Bitcoin that's bouncing at 3%. We've got XRP sitting at $1.09 at the moment and continuing to rise. We got coins that are going green, left, right, center. It is fantastic to see. And yes, once again, Phantom is leading the pack today when it comes to growth. But I got a big news to kick off today's episode. Warren Buffett, massive backing into RippleNet Bank. Now, before you get overexcited and you start tweeting to everybody that Warren Buffett is into XRP. No, it's not what I'm saying. So pay attention to the words that are being said. If you're watching this and you're doing something else right now, stop and listen to what I'm about to say. So, Warren Buffett knows about a thing or two when it comes to investing. Now, what he has done is he has put in $500 million into a Brazilian digital bank. Now, this bank utilizes XRP technology. It is phenomenal news, right? So, Nubank and RippleNet partnership. The Nubank is a Latin American neobank and the largest financial technology bank in Latin America. Moreover, the company has engineering offices in Berlin, Germany, Argentina, and offices in Mexico. June of this year, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has invested $500 million into the Brazilian challenging Nubank. Therefore, the Brazilian digital bank, Nubank, has announced today that it has received that money. Now, that is massive news. Now, Warren Buffett, I mean, we're talking about someone who is extremely savvy with what he does. Now, Ripple works through Ripple's system and its NFT-based technology as well. So, this goes to show that the technology that the XRP ledger, the XRP blockchain has, is being invested into the best investor, arguably, of all time. Like one of, if not the best. Now, to put $500 million of his own money into a brand new bank and a brand new digital bank that utilizes the Ripple technology, I don't know about you, but that puts a big smile on my face. Now, the XRP price is about to break out to $1.50, and we'll go over that today. We'll talk about it, we'll analyze it, we'll discuss it. Volume is coming through. Bitcoin probably start heading towards 90,000. Life is good, guys. Life is good because I told you it was going to be a big week. I said it yesterday. This is a big week. It's going to be a big week in crypto. Now, Australia's regulatory report inspired by Ripple's technology agnostic principle. Now, what we're talking about here is America and Australia, while the former Securities and Exchange Commission officer filed a lawsuit against the blockchain company Ripple, the latter country used Ripple's insights in a government report. So the Australian Senate's Select Committee on Australia's Technology and Financial Services Centre, Ripple looked at diverse aspects of fintech development in order to provide regulatory recommendation. What's more, Ripple played a role. It's a good day for Ripple. Ripple's head of public policy, Susan Friedman, took to Twitter to joyfully announce that Australian policymakers had included Ripple's technology agnostic recommendation in their final report. Wow, good on you, Australia. Yes, so good. So good to see that. Now, the other big news to come out of Australia on the back of that particular news that they're utilizing what Ripple said in their own documents is that the senators in Australia are pushing to be the next crypto hub. Yes! Come on, Australia. This is what we're talking about here. Good. Someone is listening. Someone must be listening because it was only a week ago that I said that America and Australia are falling behind. So really good to see this. So Senator Andrew Bragg, chair of the first Australian Senate Select Committee on FinTech and RegTech, which was established in 2019, And, you know, he's pro, right? So he's pushing this. He's pushing entrepreneurship. If we don't, we are going to be left behind. That is the reality of it. We've seen it again and again and again. Just look across the road in Singapore, what they're up to, how they're innovating, all the new markets that they're able to capture and have, right? And so this is great news. Really, really positive news out there. Now, Blockstream CEO Adam Back goes against meme coins. Now, this isn't, you know, to do related with XRP, but I do want to bring up the point, right? How do we have Shiba out there in the marketplace and no legal, no SEC investigation, right? No SEC investigation against meme coins, yet they're, you know, going after Ripple this hard, right? Where's the justice here? Where is the legal clarity? We need legal clarity. In order for this industry to 10x, as in the entire industry to 10x, we need more clarity, because it doesn't make sense to have a meme coin go 40% in a day. It does not make sense. And we can argue from today till tomorrow till next year. You won't change my mind. A meme coin serves no purpose in the top 20. No purpose. None whatsoever. And they're only there because we don't have legal clarity. So we need that legal clarity. It's really, really important. Now, G7 financial leaders reach agreement on digital currencies. This is great. Very big news on the CBDCs. And we know that Ripple is heavily involved in that. And we'll talk about, you know, like all the different charts and price actions and everything that's going on, right? Now, Putin says that we're still early, but crypto can be used for oil trade settlements and a store of value. And this is where, you know, a blockchain like Ripple can really, really disrupt this marketplace. Now, today, when we start to go over the charts and go over all the different aspects, all the different possibilities, right? This is why we're all getting very, very excited right now. We're bouncing at around 110. When, you know, we're hovering around 110, 19, 110, 19, 110. And as we break out of here, we are off into the distance. It's going to be really, really, really exciting to watch unfold. Now, when we look at it from a daily perspective, like I said, I mean, I could be wrong. You know, like I could be wrong by a week, maybe, maximum a week. But this looks end of month. This really looks like right on the edge of the end of month, 31st on a Sunday, right on the edge. And I think Saturday will probably be that particular day. The reason why we're all starting to get excited is because of the breakout, right? We're breaking out, and it's coming. It's really, really close, right? And then you'll see, you know, obviously wave 3, where we go and what we do from there. But this is why we're getting excited, because this particular formation is ending, and then the only place left to go is up. And that's how we that's how we're gonna roll. Now, when I show you what I mean by end of month, this is exactly what we're talking about here. It will break, and then when it breaks, it's gonna go straight up. And it's been a long time in the making, right? A long time in the making. So when I say that I might be out, I could be out by a couple of days, because we'll break out of here. We might break out of here around Saturday, and then start to move forward, and then, you know, we'll get, within a week, we'll get to 447. So I could be a week out. Maybe not, but the break is coming. Let's jump into Etani. Let's have a look at some indicators. So as we begin to look right now, we're looking at the daily. We're sitting at 0.23% up at the time of making this. On the daily chart, you can see that the MACD is sitting on a bearish. When we look at the hourly, we can see that the hourly, you know, like it touched the moving average 100, and then it's dropped from there. I don't expect much to happen over the next 24 hours, apart from going into $10 territory. $10, $9, $10, $9, somewhere around there, right? Especially as we see Bitcoin is starting to pump again, and it will start to move really, really quickly. But when I look at the 12-hour, we can see that there is positive movement happening, right? But I think we'll probably go, like I said, we'll still hover around 110, 115, 110 to 112. Not much movement. There won't be that much movement happening, right? We'll, like I said, it will maybe if we start to pick up a little bit, we might get to 115, but that won't be the clear break, right? The clear break is 115, but we're gonna test it a couple of times, and then we're off. So patience. but it is coming. It is coming from all different angles when you look at it. It's definitely coming. Let's have a look at some drawings. Now, as we begin to zoom out and look into the future, we can see here like that $4, $4.20, you know, like this red line. That's obviously step number one. Step number two, like I said, will be 14 to 17. 14 to 16 really is where I'm looking at, but that 420, 440 is coming. It is coming very, very fast. So as we break out of here, the first take profit one will be at $1.28. That will be there'll be quite a bit of resistance there. Then as we look forward, 146 is the next stop. So 127, 146 from there. And then we have a couple of other points, right? So $1.90 is a very, very big one. And $2.70 to $2.40 will be another big resistance line. That there will be huge. So how does it look? We'll break out of this formation. When we break out of this formation, we'll go past $4.20 and then retrace back to about $2.50. And then we move over, have that nice retrace, and then we go to double digits. That there is roughly, approximately the path that we will take. But for now, we're going to break. We're going to go towards 150 very fast, retrace a little, go to 170, and then we will, begin to break out of the 220s and then beyond. So I cannot be more excited for this week. It's already started in a very, very positive manner. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.